Let's be honest, checking Brand24 every day isn't always realistic. Other tasks take priority, or sometimes there just isn't too much going on in your projects. But you never know when reputation risky comments might appear. That's why you set up notifications. That's a smart move. They'll reach you where you already work, like your email, MS Teams, or Slack.
Decide what kind of mentions you want to be notified about. Do you need to see everything, or just the most important ones? Head over to the Mentions tab and set up filters. For example, you can choose only negative mentions with a high influence score, say 7 or more. Once you've got the right setup, name the filter and save it. You can do this for any project you want to monitor. Or, if you'd rather not filter anything, leave your projects as they are and we'll send you notifications about all new mentions. Now, let's set up email notifications. Go to Project Settings, then the Notifications tab. Choose the project you want to receive alerts for. If you're the one who should get the emails, just select your address. If you need to notify others, make sure they're added as users in your account first. Then you can assign them as recipients. Decide how often you want to be notified. Apply any filters you set earlier. And choose where you want alerts sent after a certain number of mentions pile up. You can also opt to receive them via email or the Brand24 mobile app.